some sad story coming in from Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh that around 14 children have lost their life following consumption of diethylene glycol contaminated cough syrups. Cough syrups are not supposed to contain diethylene glycol. Diethylene glycol is a banned substance. This is not the first time the world is seeing an epidemic of pediatric death following diethylene glycol contaminated cough syrup intake. It has happened for the first time in the US in 1930s, where 107 children lost their life following intake of sulfonamide elixir. At that time, it was not known that diethylene glycol can damage kidneys. Regulatory guidelines were not that strict. Animal studies were not done at that time. But following this incident, the world learned that diethylene glycol damages the proximal convoluted tubule, that is a part of the kidney that reabsorbs essential waste and secretes fluid. Diethylene glycol shuts down the kidney and causes kidney failure. Usually, diethylene glycol, which looks like PG or glycerin, it is used as a cheap substitute to bring down the cost of manufacturing. Some shady manufacturers use this banned substance to dissolve or to liquidate the medicine. This incident is a result of failure of quality control surveillance in our country.